Just be a part of our family. I messed up. Did.
And we are back. Our next guest for the day is... Do that thing. Okay, start over again. It's okay. Just do your part, okay? And we are back. Our next guest for the day is...
Hey guys.
Guess he doesn't... Don't speak anything, man. It interrupts actually. We'll do it over again. You said hey guys, right?
Yeah,
Being on the top has been rooted in our minds. And I feel that. Wait, don't say nothing. We can ask them to cut it out. And always being on the top is rooted in our minds.
If listed together, can go on forever. How do you feel about your victory and success?
It makes me extremely proud to have made my parents. Oh God! It makes me extremely happy to make my parents proud. I shifted the words. Oh God! Okay.
It's not coming off.
He died of a broken heart, believing I was a complete failure. Yes, I'm sorry.
what happened?
No, I'm telling I'm sorry because I'm telling this. You did why you
Yeah.
stop? I said I'm sorry. Oh my God.
That didn't come in a German accent. I thought it was something wrong, something happened or something. I was like, okay, what happened?
Not only about glitter, glam, or success. For me, I feel it's only what we do after success.
In order to succeed, our aim, our belief, desire should be far greater. You got a notification, sorry. That shouldn't come in the notice. That shouldn't come in the recording. Shit. Einstein didn't have
Start.
This fellow Einstein.
So started recording.
Yeah. Where did you
Just
go?
now, right? I don't
Yeah.
know. I was just lagging a bit.
You start like this little Manas lady stuff.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Ladies and gentlemen, today I take a great opportunity to speak about the failures of the great German scientist Albert Einstein.
Sorry, my partner. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Chill.